What's up guys, my name's Andre and welcome to a new video. Today I'm testing the new camera that I'm going to be using for now. It's going to be a double duty camera. It's going to be my helmet camera and my actual video camera. This is a GoPro Hero2. I know that the quality is a lot lower than the other videos that I have on my channel that were all filmed with iPhones. But the main problem is they're all broken. Their screens are broken. They're way too old. The batteries don't hold up, so it's not worth my time anymore. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be filming with a GoPro 2 using ProTune so that the video is being shot at 30 megabits a second, which is respectable. I know that the quality of the sensor itself isn't the greatest quality, but it's what I can afford right now. The main thing about the GoPro is that it doesn't have very good low light quality, as you can kind of tell. It's kind of terrible, very noisy, but it will do for now. And I have been using this camera to shoot vlogs. I'm not shooting vlogs. I'm using it as a security camera. Like a dash cam on a car, so that if anything happens to me, I have proof. That's why I bought this camera in the first place, not to substitute the other cameras that I had, but I still have them, but to have something that I can record on my helmet with. This can do 60 FPS. I kind of don't like the quality of the 60 FPS footage, mainly because it's only 720p, even though the 60 FPS footage is smooth. That's what 60 FPS is about. Anyway, I barely charged this camera, so it doesn't have that much charge in it left. But this is just a quick short. I might put some other clips of actual bike riding that I filmed with this, but I'm going to try to record new clips when it's still day, because I broke the clip of the camera case. So I'm trying to glue that back together using Super Bond. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.